Now, this illustration deals with types available for the utility to attach. Now, utilities that use the old insulator, usually that, is limited to about a number 8 in most cases, if the utility will even allow it at all. Every type of support that we put in for an overhead service drop was at least an eye bolt if it was routed through the wall into the attic area. And we were required by the utility to take a 2x6, drill a hole in it, support it between the framing members of the wall, and then we would take the eye bolt through that and support it and let that be its support so it was substantially strong during wind blowing days where the wind blows that drop around, where ice, snow might collect on it during the winter time. And so this illustration, 6-15A, simply illustrates an insulator used to support individual drop conductors and so forth, and then a eye bolt that is used to support the messenger cable to the facility so the drop conductors can connect to the weatherhead service entrance conductors as defined by Article 100 in the NEC. And figure 6-15A is illustrating two of the means that can be used where the authority having jurisdiction and the utility will permit.